How to add chatbot in Wix 2025. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we are going to be talking about Wix and how you're going to be able to add a chatbot in the easiest and most simplest way. So, what you're going to be doing is you're going to come over to your Wix as you are over here. And once you're in a section like this, what you're simply going to be doing is you're going to click on Add Elements. Once you click on Add Elements, you're going to go over to Search. Once you go to Search, you're going to search up chat or chatbot and it's going to give you apps for your site. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on Wix AI site chat. And once you do that, it's going to take you to the Wix app market. So what you're simply going to want to do is you're going to take the Wix AI site chat and you're going to click on add to site. It's totally free and it's really simple to add it. Just click on add to site and as you can see, it starts loading in and here is the AI up and running. So you can click on test the AI chat. And once you click on test, you can actually go ahead and talk to the AI. You can see how the AI works and how you're supposed to talk to it. So let's say I'm going to write, hi, how are you? Let's say I'm going to write that in. And once we do that, as you can see, it will go ahead and talk to you. You can also train the chat according to yourself, but basically that is how you're going to be adding a chatbot in Wix website. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.